Welcome to the video case study series by Vadhvani Institute of Technology and Policy. Today we will discuss a use case on using AI in healthcare specific to stroke detection. Imagine a world without strokes. Did you know that strokes are the second leading cause of death and the leading cause of preventive disability in the world? Sadaf Monajemi, co-founder and director at C-Mode, share some interesting details. C-Mode is an organization that specializes in using AI in imaging technology. They have developed a tool that helps in stroke detection using AI, and they share some interesting details.
1, 2. Someone just had a stroke. With 50% chance, this patient will die or become disabled in the next year. Even if the patient survives this time, there is 25% chance of getting another stroke.
So why are strokes such a cause of worry in health today? Sadaf explains further.
A stroke occurs when plaque in blood vessels ruptures and blocks blood flow to the brain. Without blood flow, your brain dies, causing disability or death. Good news, strokes are preventable if you can predict them. And to predict them, you need to know two critical things: what this plaque is made of and how hard blood rubs against it. Bad news, you can't predict the strokes because currently there is no clinical tool that can tell you this information.
However, at C-Mode, they have overcome this challenge.
At C-Mode, we empower clinicians to predict the strokes and save lives. By combining computer vision, artificial intelligence, and computational fluid dynamics, we help neurologists to decide the optimal treatment for every patient. We take the scans that patients already have and turn them into 3D models. Using image analysis, we figure out what this plaque is made of, and then apply computational fluid dynamics to model the blood flow and assess its impact on the plaque. C-Mode needs no additional tests, so we can seamlessly integrate into the current workflow.
What they have created is a tool called AVA, which uses AI in ultrasound. Ian Schroen, the senior sonographer and ultrasound educator, explains further.
AI in ultrasound is perfectly suited to assist with this task of image interpretation and augment the ultrasound experience. Imagine an application that's able to analyse and report thousands of images every second. Let me introduce AVA, the next frontier in ultrasound.
AVA is awake before you, integrated into your current workflow with each examination analysed before you start your review, using artificial intelligence techniques tailor-made to suit the operator dependency of ultrasound. AVA analyses the full examination and detects clinical findings. AVA automatically detects and measures plaques in B-mode images, looks for stenosis or occlusions in Doppler signals, and analyses each colour flow image to make sure no sign of stenosis is missed. It wraps up all of those results into one cohesive, presentable diagram for you. And that all happens before you even log into AVA. Then, your co-pilot gives the controls back to you, and you can utilise your expertise to review the report and make corrections if necessary. Feel good about confidently handing over a high-quality report while making your co-pilot better at the same time. Cut down your reporting time and get a second read on your ultrasound exams from FDA-cleared cutting-edge AI.
Catherine Bush, a vascular sonographer and director for Sydney Vascular, shares benefits of AVA that she has experienced firsthand.
The other wonderful thing about C-Mode, because you can rapidly generate a report, it actually allows you to spend more time with the patient to actually do your detective work, listen to the patient, listen to their symptoms, and get a whole clinical picture, which frees up more time where you can actually be scanning and solving the problems for the patient.
Sadaf goes on to tell us the reason why hospitals love them.
For a single dollar they spend on C-Mode, they can save $10 on care costs.
As Catherine concludes,
the other wonderful thing about C-Mode, because you can rapidly generate a report, it actually allows you to spend more time with the patient to actually do your detective work, listen to the patient, listen to their symptoms, and get a whole clinical picture, which frees up more time where you can actually be scanning and solving the problems for the patient. C-Mode's definitely made my life much more streamlined in the fact that you can generate a report that has all the information, including the velocities, including a graphical display and report that's professionally written so that clinician can readily see if there's a stenosis, occlusion. If you're not satisfied that it's necessarily representing what you can see or you believe you've seen, you can actually tweak the software to do exactly what you want.
and here's Ian again showing us the future.
Ava is learning to detect high-risk plaques for stroke prediction, and we're expanding Ava to a range of other exciting use cases within ultrasound.
As you can see, using AI to detect strokes is a boon for mankind, but this will certainly not stop here. Using AI, a variety of other indications can be detected ahead of time, which will help prevent the conditions from aggravating and result in lesser deaths. Hope you liked this video and thank you for watching. Don't forget to tune into our other video case studies.